The pop out comes with 2 propane tanks, storage. You got the awning up here. Comes with a grill, like a Blackstone type grill with a table. Built on the side, there's a power outlet, cable. There's a stairs, and then the door has the RV lock, so you don't have to actually put the key in. You just hit the remote. The back one opens up, but we don't have room right now to open it. Storage. There's a kitchen, microwave, stainless steel, TV up there. This is how the bed looks when it's out. Any storage, there's USB outlets below. Or actually just power. USB, some more storage. Here's the bathroom. The cool thing about the shower is that it uses the water conservation shower miser. So if you're boondocking, you actually just turn this down, and the water just recycles instead of wasting. And then you have storage here. And then this is the back bed that folds out as well.